Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today's November 17, 2019. Giving you all the news according to the charts and making sure that the articles that we come across, if in fact it is being reflected on the price chart. Thank you all for coming to this video on today. Make sure you continue to hit that subscribe button, like and share the videos, hit that bell notification because you definitely do not want to miss out on any of the videos, content that we are producing here on YouTube. If not, join us on our Twitter page at HueFin News, Facebook page as well, and then on our website at HueFinancial.com. We're going to give you all an update on Bitcoin from our previous video, but before we do, you know we got you. We're going to look at this article right there on the right side of your screen with the title, "A Bitcoin Signal is Suggesting a Tumble to $4,000 is Imminent." Was uploaded to the internet on November 15th, 2019. Here we are, 2 days after, and that tumble has not occurred just yet. All right, so a crypto analyst is sounding the alarm about a potentially bearish sign for the future price of Bitcoin. Potentially is the key word of that sentence. His name is Cole Gardner. He is telling his 11,000 followers on Twitter that Bitcoin has ribbons which represent the simple moving average lines of Bitcoin's difficulty and hash rate in mining Bitcoin has just hit a bearish crossover. Now, according to him, the last time this happened was around mid-November of last year, just before Bitcoin tumbled from 63.50 on the 13th of November down to 32.20 on December 15th. Minor capitulation warning. Hash ribbons have confirmed a crossover. And this is the tweet or the actual price chart that he is utilizing to garner that signal. Fellow analyst Plan B agrees that in the short term, miners may determine they're not making a profit and temporarily will turn off their mining rigs. Now, if you guys can remember, the last time we did a video for Bitcoin was on the 14th of November for Plan B, because Plan B is looking for a surge in Bitcoin's price next week on the 21st. And it reads right there, he thinks that may change after November 21st when Bitcoin's difficulty adjustment kicks in, making it easier to mine Bitcoin. This is his quote, and I quote, "Yes, there can theoretically be more capitulation, but in practice, we see hash rate is up and next difficulty estimated from this hash rate of the last 650 blocks indicates a 4% difficulty adjustment. So no more capitulation." So now, what I want to show you, and one of the most vital things that I really want to instill in each and every one of you, is the fact that the issue of watching and listening to people. Okay, so this is Cole Gardner's actual tweet feed right here. He has 11.3 thousand followers, been on Twitter since 2009, right? And as you continue to scroll down this Twitter feed for Cole Gardner, he has some varying opinions as to what Bitcoin is going to do, right? So right here, for instance, last 15 hours, this is what he wrote. "I'm tracking a deeply bearish indicator that could paint a sell signal at any moment." So is it bearish? Because if it's bearish, then why did you utilize the word "it could paint a sell signal at any moment"? It's advanced warning for the last great buying opportunity we have this cycle. Things could go either way. See, now you're doubting your own analysis. Things could go either way. Stick with me and you'll find out if when it happens. So are you bearish or are you bullish? you are literally confusing the reader as to what you're trying to insinuate. You are in no better position after reading that tweet, right? Again, November 16th. You remember that article was written 2 days ago. So here we are on the 16th of November, and Cole Garner tweets bearish, but it could go either way. It doesn't make any sense. Where is your bias? Are you looking for Bitcoin to move lower, or are you looking for Bitcoin to move higher? Just place your idea on what you expect the market to do. And it's okay if you're going to be incorrect, because nothing in the world is 100% actual factual in predictive modeling or even in predictive forecasting. We don't get it right ourselves every single time. November 16th. The turning point could come soon, but how soon are you talking? The next day, the next hour, 3 hours, 12 hours, the next week? What defines soon to us? Right here. Yes, the indicator is sending mixed signals. Then why are you using this indicator? Bottom line, Bitcoin is teetering on the brink of capitulation. It could go either way. This individual is truly confusing the reader of his tweets. I'm going to research this a bit more thoroughly. Keep watching and put something out either over the weekend or on Monday. So now you want to update your reader or your followers on Twitter, because you don't know what Bitcoin is planning on doing, because your indicator that you are depending on is sending out mixed signals. Then don't use that indicator. Here we are, November 15th. Yep, it repainted after hash rate rose. I just checked in with whoever that is, the indicator's author. Found out that the signal is capable of a repaint up until the close of the day. Situation largely unchanged. We're teetering on the edge. Could go either way. So whatever direction Bitcoin goes, he can tell the reader, I told you, it could go either way. Completely useless information. Now, for us, we play the market according to the price chart. If you've been with us for a while, you understand that we do not follow articles. We don't follow fundamental analysis. We don't follow technical analysis. We utilize language analysis. That is where the true understanding of predictive forecasting lies. You have to understand what the market is reading to you. If you don't, you'll be just like Cole Garner, confused and speaking out of both sides of your mouth. So here we are. This is our update from Bitcoin. Okay. Last time I did a video, I told you, was on the 14th, and we kept our original price target ongoing. Yes, the market came and broke above our resistance line, but like I told you, we don't utilize stop losses. So again, the market in Bitcoin came and surpassed our ultimate price target right here on the 15th of November. So 3.85% done in the market right there, completed. So what we're going to do, you guys can see that was very profitable forecast. So let's go ahead and get rid of this now, and we're going to talk about what we're looking at Bitcoin momentarily. Okay, this is the third day that Bitcoin held $8,400 as support. That's very, very crucial into understanding what the market is trying to read. We are not seeing on the daily time frame Bitcoin showing us weakness. Not right now. Weekly time frame is a different story. So the longer that you pull out on a time frame, the greater the weakness is coming in Bitcoin. The weekly chart is still indicating to us weakness is present. It's a little bit more prevalent than it is with seeing the strength right now. The monthly time frame, again, we're still seeing some indications that weakness is more dominant in the field than it is with the strength. So we will have to play the market in our forecast on a small time frame, because the further you go out, the greater the weakness is present. Okay, but the daily time frame, we're seeing some indication that the market in Bitcoin is still trying to pursue some higher prices. Okay, clearly you can see that we have been consolidating a very tight range, about $200. $8,400 is support, $8,600 is the resistance area. Now the strength is still there, so we're going to play this moving higher. Okay, on the 4-hour chart in Bitcoin, we're going to hold $8,400 for support. Okay, typically $8,600 is resistance. You can try to see the market in Bitcoin hit that number and then pursue back down to lower prices. So in the event we do see some weakness come in at that $8,600 area, we would TP the market there. Okay, but even right there, the market in Bitcoin can try to hit $8,700, but literally this is what we're seeing on the market right now. Okay, switching it back over to the daily time frame before I let you all go, you all can see here that the market overall is still trying to indicate another push to the upside in price. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to expect the market in Bitcoin to continue its trek higher in price. Not much. $8,600 is resistance, so there is a probabilistic chance that it will not be able to break above $8,600. I mean, we see that on the price chart, so we have to acknowledge that it's there. So just keep that in mind as we see this market trade in Bitcoin. But overall, the market in Bitcoin is trying to push this market down, but currently it is still indicating that it's trying to move higher. So we're going to play the market in Bitcoin moving higher. Our focus is going to be on $8,600 to see some more sellers try to come into the market, which it can push the price down. But until we see that play out, the expectation is for Bitcoin to try to see some higher prices, and $8,700 around that particular location is where we're seeing the market trying to hit to. All right, so there you are. This is our forecast, giving it to you unbiased. We are giving you a directional forecast as to what we're looking in the market in Bitcoin. But again, last couple of days, very good to see the market hold $8,400 in Bitcoin. So we're just going to play this on a small time frame. Daily to around the 4-hour price chart is where we're looking at this market playing out. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will see y'all on the next one.